Hello friends, welcome back to our very own channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So जैसे guys आपको पता है कि 15 days पहले I wasn't keeping well. So initially even we thought कि it's a flu thing, it's a viral thing. But eventually we got to know it was the corona thing. But now I'm completely fine guys. I'm a recovered COVID positive patient. And all thanks to your love, to your blessings which you keep on showering continuously on me, and it feels so great if you shower the same love on this channel as well. So keep on showering the love. In case you haven't subscribed to the channel, do consider subscribing because it's your love which keeps me motivated. So the issue which I'm addressing today is the corona thing, which is actually very sensitive considering India's today's situation whereby we see 1 lakh cases per day guys. So I know it's like alarming to us, and equally all of us are nervous for that matter. But guys, with 50 days to go for examinations, I think it is high time to make you aware guys of certain things, with only one disclaimer. First of all, this video is going to be based upon my personal experiences with a single motto to keep you guys mentally stable for the next 50 days. So guys, when we got to know कि यार I'm diagnosed with this particular thing, so guys of course family वाले डर गए थे, our parents of course, but me and my husband were convinced for the fact कि there is something bigger than this virus, that is our mental stability guys. क्योंकि what I have come down to this conclusion is कोरोना से ज़्यादा, कोविड-19 से ज़्यादा I think कोविड-19 का डर is fatal for many of them around. See guys, of course the treatment was going on, medication was going on, everything was there, but at the same time all I said myself was कि I need to keep calm during this situation because everybody around is already freaked out. And you know guys, this worked like magic. I was working on the 5th day of the time when I got to know कि I was actually diagnosed with it. And I think the only thing which helped me is my calm composure during these 5 days. Guys, जब पहली बार मुझे बात समझी थी, the first thing which came to my mind was, what about my work? What about my videos? What about the counseling calls? Everything was scheduled. I had so many things planned for you कि यार now is the time I need to buckle up, I need to help the students out there. But जैसे आप लोग को भी अभी बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिमाग में है कि एग्जाम्स है, टेस्ट देनी है, रिविजन करना है, everything guys. I was in the same state of panic for half an hour or so. I was thinking कि अभी कैसे करूँगी मैं. But then I closed my eyes and then I thought everything is going to be figured out if I am maintaining my cool. And then जैसे आपने देखा होगा, एक वीडियो was shot by my husband, and of course even you guys were super supportive of the fact कि counseling calls जो scheduled थे वो मैंने थोड़ा reschedule वगैरह किया, थोड़ा postpone किया, and thanks to you guys again. But everything worked out just because you know somewhere your outer world is decided by your inner world. If you are at peace with yourself, automatically everything gets fine. And yeah, everything fell back on track. Same thing guys, I want to tell you today. You know, when I was recovering actually at the last leg, तभी मैंने सोच लिया था I'm going to shoot up this because the experiences which I have had, I need to definitely share with you so that this will help you for the next 45 days. So like the bottom line is maintain your calm mindset. The reason I'm telling you this guys is कि जैसे सी आज 1 लाख केसेस पर डे है इंडिया में, यू नेवर नो कल जाके 2 लाख केसेस हो जाए पर डे. आज ही आप देख रहे हो कि आपके किसी डिस्टेंट रिलेटिव, किसी फ्रेंड, किसी नेबर, किसी ना किसी को हुआ है. यू नेवर नो कि नेक्स्ट 15 डेज में इंडिया के हर घर में ये किसी ना किसी को बीमारी हो सकती है. तो गाइज, ऑल आई एम आस्किंग यू टू डू इज बी प्रिपेयर्ड, बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड. क्या होगा अगर हो भी गया कल को जाके अपने को, तो 5 days, 7 days, दैट्स ऑल इट विल टेक टू रिकवर फ्रॉम दैट इलनेस. लेकिन अगर आप डर गए तब गाइज कि यार मुझे ये हो गया, अभी मेरी एग्जाम है, क्या होगा एंड ऑल दैट शिट, तो फिर आपका अटेम्प्ट जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है वो रह जाएगा. यू नो दिस डिसीज इज नॉट गोइंग टू टेक अप योर अटेम्प्ट, बट द फियर ऑफ द डिसीज माइट लैंड अप यू स्क्रूइंग द अटेम्प्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप योर सेल्फ मेंटली स्टेबल, क्योंकि कुछ हो भी जाता है तो 7 days एंड यू आर गोइंग टू बी बैक ऑन ट्रैक. सो बी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड एंड डोंट panic. panic. Absolutely don't panic. Of course, first सबसे important है safety measures. You have to be absolutely maintaining everything. जैसे कि sanitized रहो, घर पे ही रहो, मास्क पहनो बाहर जाते टाइम, मतलब जितना हो सके everything we have to be proactive and we have to take every precautionary measures. But at the same time, maintain your mental stability, maintain your cool, maintain your calm. See, our job is not to calm the storm. अगर storm आ भी जाए तो face the storm. That's it. So आने वाले 45 days में guys, take good care of your health, of your family's health and stay strong. So इसी के साथ guys, आपको exam oriented कुछ डर है, कोई queries है, कुछ भी है मन में जो आपको पूछना है, तो Unacademy is launching its another live webinar which is going to be conducted tomorrow, that is 12th of September, 8 p.m. So details I'm giving in the description box below. It is going to be conducted by AIR 1 Siddhant Bhandari and AIR 4 Shubham Singhal. So guys, it is going to be useful for you. You can take their insights of the rankers and sort all your doubts. All the best.